Good day, everyone. Shalou here from Barrie. I'm just out taking the dog for a walk. So I thought I'd check in and see how you all are doing and what we want to talk about today. And, as we got out here, my husband asked me if I'd checked out, an article that he had sent me that said you shouldn't drink water while you're standing. It's better for you if you're sitting. So, what are they going to come up with next? I don't know. In any case, it got me thinking about water and how important water is for our life. And, my son had some friends over and they're just young boys, in their mid-20s. And yet, my son goes, "Mom, can you just check his back out? He's in a lot of pain." And when I went down to just sort of see, because it's his SI joint that's giving him trouble, but he's so calcified. It's unbelievable. He's only 27 years old. And so you go, what causes so much calcification in such a young body, right? It's our lifestyles. And when I'm watching him, he's got his bottled water there and he's taking a sip and I'm like, wow, you're dehydrated, but you think you're okay because you're drinking this water, but how much of it is actually being absorbed into your body, right? If the water's not structured, a water molecule is, one droplet of water is 2,000 to 2,500 water molecules, right? But when you structure it, it lineates it. And so it's maybe only, 4 molecules deep. And so now it goes through the aquaporin channel and actually gets to your cells where you can actually hydrate the cell. Isn't that amazing, right? And it's not even, through the Doc of Detox, you can get a structure unit. It's not a big purchase, right? But now, no matter where you travel, you've got a mechanism that will structure the water, because water is the largest fluid computer. Did you know that? It holds memory of everything. And so when you structure the water, it erases the memory of, because they're putting chemicals. They got chlorine, they got fluoride, they got all sorts of stuff in our water that's not good for us. So when you structure it, now you've erased that memory. And so all of that stuff can no longer hurt you. But the water is also now been lineated so that it goes through the aquaporin channel and actually hydrates and does what it's supposed to do for your body. So, how much water are you drinking? We don't realize. I saw another article where, the doctor was saying that 99% of the population is dehydrated. And we all think, any person you ask, oh, how much water do you drink? 9 out of 10 times I get, I drink lots of water. And I'm like, okay, what is lots to you, right? Because some people think, 4 glasses is lots. Other people go 8 glasses is lots, right? What is lots? And, other people go, oh no, if you drink too much water, you'll die because it's not good for you, right? And you know what? There is some truth to that, because if you start drinking 4 or 5 liters of tap water, that is not good for you at all. You are going to create problems for yourself. 100%, because there's chlorine, there's fluoride, there's all sorts of chemicals they put in there. Heck, a couple of years ago in the Barrie newspaper, they actually put out an article that they found fecal matter in the water. How many times is that water just being flushed and reflushed before it comes out of my tap, right? We got to start paying attention. We got to start asking questions, and we got to learn how to protect ourselves, right? And the best way is to understand the science, to understand that a structure unit, portable structure unit, fits in your purse. You take it with you wherever you go. And when you can't, I'll even put it in a little spritzer. And I'll take the structured water in a spritzer, and if I'm out and about, I'll just spray my water that, if I'm at a restaurant or something, I'll spray it. And it structures the whole glass. Did you know that? You can, spray it over your food. It structures your food. This is how fantastic and amazing God made it. That certain things, a lot of things work in our favor. We just got to be smart, find out what those are, how it works, and how to make it work best for ourselves. So I hope you're enjoying the beautiful weekend. We actually went out dragon boating yesterday and had a blast. I mean, it's such an amazing team building activity. And we had a lot of fun. And today, we took it a little bit easier and, just out for a stroll. And we're going to go catch a movie, I think. But definitely not going anywhere without my water. So how much water do you drink? Do you know how much water you're supposed to drink? Do you drink the right type of water? If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to call me up, 705-828-2257, and let's chat about water. Also, I'm leading a healing circle here in Barrie at the end of November, 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 26th. So if you'd like to know more about that, give me a call. Someone's asking... am I in Australia? No, I'm not. I am in Barrie, Ontario, Canada. And I would love to come to Australia sometime. Just didn't happen this time around. So in any case, I hope you have a beautiful day. If you're interested in the Healing Circle, again, go to braveheartnation.com or give me a call, 705-828-2257. Let's chat and let's get you on your way to having the best health of your life. Love you. Bye.